Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of July. And first of all, national news. Muslim spiritual leader 35 shot dead in Maharashtra's Nashik. Bajrang Dal announced helpline for those threatened over social media. Won't let democracy die in West Bengal, says Governor Jagdeep Dhankar in latest swipe. Vistara engine failed just after Bangkok flight landed in Delhi, all safe. Supreme Court stayed Madras High Court order on AIADMK leadership raw. Gap between second COVID jab and booster dose reduced from 9 to 6 months. Smoke on Indigo plane after landing in Indore. BJP's Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi resigned as minister amid Vice President Bush. Bhagwant Mann and Gurpreet Kaur will get married at a small ceremony in Chandigarh on 7th July. IAS officer Tina Dabi took charge as collector in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. Kerala minister resigned after derogatory comments about constitution. Now some international news. Boris Johnson vote to keep going despite resignations. After top minister's exit, UK Financial Services Minister John Glenn resigned. Evacuations from Slovians continue as Russia advances in Ukraine's Donbass. And now some sports news. The Board of Control for Cricket in India on Wednesday announced a 16-member squad for the 3-match ODI series against West Indies, which will begin on July 22. Frankie de Jong not for sale. Barcelona president Joan Laporta. India versus England, 5th test. Sunil Gavaskar weighs in on Edgbaston pitch after England's record chase. Malaysia Masters PV Sindhu, Praneeth Kashyap moved to second round. India squad for West Indies ODIs. Shikhar Dhawan to captain, Ravindra Jadeja to be deputy. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.